I didn't realize they meant it when they said that this home felt like a resort. And it truly, truly does. This is a Bali Resort inspired home, and it's in Anvaya Cove, Bataan. And I can't wait to show you guys just what this house has to offer. The roads here roll and turn and curve along the natural landscape, and that's the reason why this particular home, although it is a corner lot, doesn't exactly feel like a corner lot, especially because when you look at this, you barely see the house, right? Because it is like along its perimeter surrounded by trees. And today we'll be going around this beautiful Bali Resort inspired home here in Anvaya Cove. So this is going to be your entry point to the home. You have a 5-vehicle carport, 2 of which will be covered, as you can see over there. And then this is the only thing that is giving you an idea about what might be inside. But believe me, you're going to be surprised. So as you go through your carport, this is going to be your unassuming main entrance. How nice is this, right? Well, before we head inside though, you have some storage on the other side of the garage or the carport. So you have some storage behind the wooden shutters. And of course, lots of texture even before having entered your home. You have gorgeous solid wood, you have stone tiles, you have ceramic tiles, and what have you. And this is just the beginning. So when you enter, it feels like being in paradise. Does it not? Look at that. How often do you go in a home and this is what will welcome you? Usually, especially here in the Philippines, it's a living room, but here it's a swimming pool. So you have your stairs going down the swimming pool, and then you have stairs that go down to a common area or your gazebo. So you have your dining area over here. You also have your kitchen over there. So you can prepare food and entertain your family and friends right from here. And I love that it's as low almost as the swimming pool, because then they could be swimming over there and you could be talking to them from over here and sharing food right on this ledge. And then when you go back to this area, you'll notice that there are sliding doors, right? So let's go through this one first. And this is bedroom number 1. So you have here a 2-bed setup, a double bed and a single bed over here. You even have a partition in the middle, so in case you have guests, for example, parents and maybe a kid, it feels like a hotel room. Actually, spoiler alert, every room in this house feels like a hotel room. So you have these, or this area for the bed space. You have your cabinets or closets. You have, of course, access to the garden out in the front, which you probably didn't notice because again, the perimeter of the property is just full of trees. And that is how they intentionally made the layout, so that it still feels private. There are no gates, but it doesn't feel like you're exposed to the public. Over here, you have your ensuite, toilet and bath, with your enclosed shower space, your sink, and then your toilet over here right next to the window, which again does not feel exposed because the view is of the front yard, which is hidden from public eye. Okay, so this being bedroom 1, we can then go right next door to bedroom number 2. So you'll notice that this room is basically a mirror image of the other one. So you have a single bed over here, your queen-sized bed this time. Over here, again, access to the front garden, your entertainment space, your closet, and then the ensuite, toilet and bath, which is locked. But you have an idea naman from the other bedroom. Just look at this. The moment you go out of your bedroom, you have this view. And check that out. You still have 3 sliding doors over there. And yes, they are all, in fact, bedrooms. So I don't think I'll even need to go inside anymore, but I will still show you. So you have bedroom number 3 with your queen-sized bed, vanity, closet, and then an ensuite toilet and bath. Of course, you have your built-in desk and entertainment system. And then over here for bedroom number 4, another queen-sized bed, your vanity, your ensuite toilet and bath, desk, entertainment, except this time it is like a mirror image, flipped from the other bedroom. And then bedroom number 5. So slightly different layout, but again, you have a double side, what is this? Double and then a single, your vanity, your desk, your ensuite at the end, and then your entertainment. Right? I did not expect, frankly, to see or feel like I was in a resort, quite literally, with hotel-like rooms, all with a view of the swimming pool and the gazebo. And again, no walls, but there are perimeter trees, so that acts as your privacy screen from the rest of the neighborhood. Not that you needed it, actually, because frankly, the entire neighborhood is just trees in the first place. Okay, so in this portion, you have the staff quarters here. We're not gonna go in there anymore because they're inside. And then you have another outdoor area or outdoor seating with a gazebo and the grilling area. So it's just nice to know that you can go here or go around the property and eventually head back to the carport. And this gives you a different view of the pool area. Okay, so now it's time to head up the second floor. But before you do, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos like this one. We're on Facebook, you can follow us there, and we're also on Instagram at Presello_official. Oh, I haven't introduced myself actually, my name is Julia, and hopefully you feel delighted with this Presello open house tour. This is the main stairs. Look at how open it is. Well, technically, it's closed, but it still feels very, very Bali-inspired because of all of the openness. I love it. I mean, generally the hallways are open, right? But the staircase, it's covered while still being able to see the sky. Although in this case, since it's raining, you are protected from the rain. And this portion is still closed off, so you are protected from the elements while still being out here in this open space, thanks to all of the windows and everything. The staircase itself is beautiful, so much contrast, and then it opens to an open area. So you have the left and the right side. We're gonna go through here first because check this out. So the formal dining areas and kitchen and living area is here on the second floor. So you have this great room. Notice how the ceiling is shaped, so it follows the shape of the roof. And then on either side, you have clerestory windows that also follow the shape of the roof. And it lets in so much light, apart from all of the windows that you see. So we have some over here. This is at the front of the property. And just look at that, you're surrounded by trees, by plants, some of them fruit-bearing, some of the rare indoor plants are here as well. So it's just greenery everywhere. Right, so in this portion of the great room, as I like to call it, is your kitchen. So you have a U-shaped counter over here. Again, of course, you have windows that let you peer out into your neighborhood, your gorgeous, gorgeous neighborhood. You have shelving over here, some storage behind all of the mirrors. And then here in the middle section, you have your dining table. It's a massive dining table, square for this one because it fits the layout perfectly. All of that those or windows. And then over here you have the living area. Man, everywhere you look, greens. And you also hear birds. So when you walk over to this portion, again, another open area, and this is your lanai or balcony. Hopefully you can hear the birds sing. It's really something. So it's nice and cool, definitely because it's raining. But even if it were sunny, it's still gonna be cool thanks to the high ceiling and the fact that it's just well ventilated in this entire area. And just because an area is open doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna be cool or well ventilated, mind you. So keep that in mind when you try to design your own open spaces. All right, and then over here from this corner, you can see your gazebo on the ground floor, your swimming pool, as well as the other section of the second floor, which we are gonna go to now. So something that I noticed about the roof as well is, notice how the eaves go up. So oftentimes, eaves just tend to be straight or downwards. This one actually goes up, and that helps in making the area or the space feel even more open than it already is. I mean, just the fact that it's outdoors, right? It should feel open, but that definitely helps. Okay, so over here you have a powder room behind these sliding doors. So you have your sink and your toilet over there. It's very spacious. Again, you have high ceiling, and over there by the left-hand side, you'll see that there are vents. Actually, those vents are everywhere. So you'll see them running along the entire floor. So every room has that. So it's not just decorative. Okay, so we have sliding doors over here, but we're not gonna go through that. We're gonna go through this section. So you have another balcony, and this one feels more private because it is the master area, basically. So it's where the bedroom is, it's where the office is. So this is the more secluded balcony, but still, again, has a view of the swimming pool, the gazebo, etc., and the rest of the landscape. So over here, we have the Nagpunas ako ng sapatos na wala namang rug. So over here, you have the office, which they also turned into a gym. So you have your desk space over there, some window space, again, high ceiling, and then vents up top. You have a sliding door that leads to the bedroom. And speaking of the bedroom, this is the master bedroom. Very, very Bali-inspired. You can see that the bed is in the middle. 4-poster bed is in the middle. You still have that incredibly high ceiling with a beautiful roof. And then behind the master bedroom, you have your walk-in closet or area or dresser area. So you have this massive mirror with shelving on either side, and then this entire wall is just for your wardrobe. The textures are beautiful, very, very tropical. So you know, it's very resort-like. And then over here, behind the sliding doors, by the way, you have 2 access points. You have the ensuite toilet and bath with his and her sinks, an enclosed shower space, a bathtub in front of a picture window, and then my favorite portion of the bathroom, it's this. It's an enclosed water closet. So you have a view. Of course, right now the treatment is closed, but I love how it's like enclosed. You still have high ceiling. You have that privacy without it feeling cramped, thanks to the fact that you have a window right next to it. So, you know, even for couples, you need some privacy a little bit sometimes, right? Okay, so that is it for the second floor. Let's now head downstairs for a recap. Don't you just love the sound of water falling off of the pond under the main stairs? Okay, so numbers. I have 886 square meters of lot area. Again, the perimeter surrounded by plants, and even within the property, you have so much plant life, some of them rare, as I mentioned earlier. You have 564 square meters of floor area spread between 2 stories. 6 bedrooms, all with an ensuite, toilet and bath, and then a powder room on the 2nd floor. And speaking of the 2nd floor, that's where the formal dining, living, and kitchen is. So that's very unique. But of course, you still have a gazebo here on the ground floor, perfect for entertaining family and friends, and have a 4 to 5 vehicle carport. And again, this is in Anvaya Cove, Bataan. So if you or anyone you know is interested in a place in a Bali resort style home like this one, send this video to them. Or if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.